Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Let them enter.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
My voice is low. Okay. Is it okay now if I speak like this? Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen, children. 17 only entered. So we today, I think previous class we have stopped with a problem, isn't it? Related to Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem and its applications. That was the topic which we have taken. So we have taken some problems in which the application of Pythagoras theorem is there, isn't it? So I think the last problem which we have done was find the perimeter of a rectangle.
Ma'am,
Length is 40
ma'am,
centimeter and diagonal 41 centimeter. Yes, who is calling?
ma'am, we reach rhombus.
Rhombus we finished? We
Rhombus.
completed?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
we
we were
reached rhombus.
discussing of
Only
rhombus.
properties of rhombus, isn't it? That is the
Yes,
last
ma'am.
question in that. That's the last question in that. So we shall discuss with that. Okay, we can start with that. Before that, let me ask you once again, we'll revise what is Pythagoras property? Three formulas are there now. I have taught you three formulas, isn't it?
Ma'am,
That, yeah. Just
ma'am, base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse.
very good. Advait have answered. Base square plus altitude square is equal to
Hypotenuse
hypotenuse square. Can you tell me the other formula, Vijin? Can you tell me the other formulas, other two formulas which we have?
Altitude square minus hypotenuse square is equal to base square.
No, no, no. Hypotenuse square minus altitude square is equal to base square. Okay. From hypotenuse, you have to subtract. Hypotenuse is the bigger side, isn't it? So hypotenuse square minus the base square will give you altitude square, and hypotenuse square minus altitude square will give you the base square. Hypotenuse square minus base square will give you altitude square. Hypotenuse square minus altitude square will give you base square. Okay, like that. From subtraction is from hypotenuse, that you remember. Hypotenuse square. Okay. Okay, so we will, how many students? 25 only have entered, 26, 27 now. Okay, so we will do that problem, and we were discussing about the rhombus, isn't it? A rhombus. What is a rhombus? Can you tell me what is rhombus?
Ma'am, rhombus is a two-dimensional shape with four sides. Ma'am, that
Ma'am, it is a type of
corners are
right
equal.
square.
They form a 360 degree.
Then?
Ma'am, the diagonal lines, the opposite diagonal lines are equal.
All sides are equal. Okay. Rhombus, all sides are equal.
Ma'am, it is a quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral. It's a
Quadrilateral.
Type. Polygon.
Alternate sides equal, isn't it? That means all sides are equal in that. We'll see. Then what is the difference between square and a rhombus? Square also all sides are equal, no? By what is the difference between a rhombus and a square? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, in rhombus, the opposite diagonal lines are equal.
About angles, can you tell me anything about it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, angles, the square forms 90 degree. This forms 360 degree.
90 degree.
Ma'am, rhombus forms 360 degree.
Rhombus
Okay.
form 360 degree.
And not that. In square, all the angles are at 90 degree. Okay. In rhombus, it need not be like that. Okay. I'll draw the rhombus, then you will understand. Now we can see what it is. That problem. I'll write down the problem. Okay. Easy board. I have to take the easy board. So wait a minute. Okay, children, can you see the board, children?
No, ma'am, you have not shared it.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. I have not shared it. Okay. Now you can see the board.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is clear.
We will draw a, yes, yes. We will draw a right rhombus on it. 1 minute, I take down the question. The question is this one, that is the diagonals of a rhombus measure the diagonals. I'll write it. I'll write it. I'll write the diagonals of a rhombus.
Ma'am, your sound is very low.
Don't say anything. The diagonals of a rhombus measure. Can you see the board? You write the question. The diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. Okay, so what is it? The diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. You have to find the perimeter of the rhombus. Now I'm going to draw the rhombus. Now see what is a rhombus. This type of figure. This is the figure, okay, rhombus. And the peculiarities are all the sides of the rhombus are equal in measure. That actually we say adjacent sides are equal. This side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this one and this one. That means all sides are equal, isn't it? All the sides are equal in a rhombus. So if you want to find the perimeter of the rhombus, if you want to find the perimeter of the rhombus, what you have to do? One side, all the sides are equal. Okay. All the sides are equal. So what you have to do to find the perimeter? You have studied the formula, no? One side is, no, one side. The length of one side. What you have to do to find the perimeter, children?
Side into side.
Not side into side, that is area, no?
2 into L plus
Perimeter.
B.
Huh?
And 2 into L plus
2 into L plus B.
Oh, it's not a rectangle. It is a rhombus. All
4
sides
into
are equal.
4 into S.
4 into
4
one
into
side.
S.
That's all, isn't it? 4 into one side. Clear, children?
4 into S.
4 into, yes, one side. Okay, 4 into one side. Because all sides are equal. So if you get one side, length of one side, perimeter can be found by multiplying that side by 4. Clear? Now, this is a rhombus. I told you all the sides are equal. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
one more peculiarity is there for rhombus. That is, what is a diagonal? Last class we discussed, no? In the case of rectangle, we have discussed what is a diagonal. What is a diagonal? What is a diagonal of any figure? Do you remember? The line joining the vertex,
And the line joining the
vertex to one vertex to
other side.
opposite vertex.
Opposite side.
Opposite vertex. The line joining one vertex to its opposite vertex. So in the rhombus, these two are the diagonals. These two are the diagonals. This is one diagonal. This is the other diagonal. Did you understand what is diagonal now?
Yes.
Children, Did you understand what is a diagonal?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
from one vertex, the line joining one vertex to its opposite vertex is known as a diagonal. Here also you see this vertex to this vertex. Okay. Now, in rhombus, there is one more peculiarity, that is the diagonals bisect at 90 degree. Do you know what is meant by diagonals bisect? The word meaning of
Ma'am,
bisect.
they meet at
Ma'am,
a,
when they meet,
they
it
meet,
becomes
they
90
form
degree.
a 90-degree angle,
Okay, that is that.
right angle.
Okay, that is right angle. Okay, understood. What do you mean by bisecting? Bisecting.
Ma'am, they
Ma'am,
cross
two
each
lines
other.
joining to each
Each other.
other.
Crossing each other. Two lines crossing each
Ma'am,
other.
when the
at a
two
point.
lines touch
Okay.
each other.
Okay, what is meant
At
mean
a point.
bisecting? Bisecting.
Ma'am,
Two lines
one
meet
line
each
is
other.
cutted by another line, and
It
Ah.
makes a point at the center.
Okay, then what about the lines? What happens to the lines?
ma'am,
One
a line divides
Ma'am,
another
two.
line to two pieces.
Two pieces, not
Two
only two
halves.
pieces,
So,
Two
equal
sections.
pieces, isn't
Equal
it?
pieces.
Equal
Okay.
parts.
Two equal halves.
Okay, bisecting. That's why bisecting. Okay, bisecting means into two equal parts. That means this diagonal
here.
divides. See, this diagonal divides the other diagonal into two equal parts. Did you understand? Don't talk in between. Listen to me. This diagonal divides the other green diagonal into two equal parts. Again, the green diagonal divides the that magenta color, that diagonal into two equal parts. This also into two equal parts. That is the meaning of bisecting. Okay, bisecting means one line or anything is dividing something into two equal
Two
parts.
equal halves.
Bisecting. Here in rhombus, each diagonal, both the diagonals divide each other into two equal parts at 90 degree. That means this angle formed everywhere here is 90 degree. Did you
90
understand?
degree.
90
For
degree.
90 degrees.
490 degrees are formed when they cross each other. The diagonals meet each other. Now, our question, what do we need? What is the question for us? Our question is to find the perimeter of the rhombus. That means 4 into one side. We want to find one side of the, any one side of the rhombus we can find the answer for the perimeter, isn't it? We
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to find
Yes,
only one
ma'am.
side. So, we are going to the perimeter.
Ma'am, we have got 4 triangles.
Now, we'll take one triangle from that and we can find, because all 4 right triangles are formed, no?
Yes, ma'am.
4
Yes,
right
ma'am.
triangles are formed. Out of that, we can take one right triangle and we can find the side. By using what? By using what we will find? Think.
Ma'am, the measures given.
By, we have taken this one, this colored one triangle. Okay, it is a right triangle. What are the things given to you? Check. What are the things given to you?
Ma'am, the 2 measures.
Ma'am, the two measures 30 centimeter
Yeah.
and 60 centimeter.
1 minute. Let me change the color of the board. Everything is changed now. Okay. Now look. Here, what is given? Measure, rhombus measure, and it is done diagonally 16 centimeter. Suppose this is total 16 centimeter diagonal. Okay. This diagonal
ma'am.
is 16 centimeter. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
what will be each? Here it is bisecting, no? In the middle, from the middle it is bisecting. What will
Yes,
be the
ma'am.
measure of, suppose I am marking this as A, this as A, B, C and D. Can you tell me what is OB? Measure of OB will be?
Ma'am, the same.
16 is total. AB. One diagonal is AB. Okay. What will be OB then?
Ma'am, in the meeting.
Middle. So what do you have to do?
Ma'am, we have to divide.
Divide 16 into 2, isn't it? So what will be OB?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 8 centimeter.
8 centimeter. Here 8 and here also 8 centimeter. Isn't it? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is the other diagonal CD? We are taking
Ma'am,
as
15
30.
centimeter.
So each one will
15
be
centimeter.
15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Clear? So in this triangle, in this right triangle, you can see this angle is 90 degree. That's why we call it 90 degree angle or right triangle. In this right triangle, what is given? Base is given 8 centimeter and this altitude is given 15 centimeter. Isn't it? Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to find one side of the rhombus.
OD.
OD. What is the side
Ma'am,
of the rhombus?
15 centimeter.
CB.
CB.
BC.
CB. CB.
CB.
This is-
CB.
See, you have to check this triangle. We can find only this one. No, so just take this one.
Ma'am, it is 30 centimeter.
30 centimeter. How come it came? See this. This is a right triangle. This is right triangle. CO and OB forms the altitude and base. Now what is CB here? Mariam, can you tell me what is CB in that right triangle? I told you OC is not centimeter. I'm asking what is it? See, OC is the altitude and OB is the base. Now what is CB there? It's a right triangle.
Ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
what is the name of CB then? Tia? Hello? Tia?
Ma'am.
I told in this triangle, right triangle, CO is altitude and
Okay,
O
ma'am.
the base. Then what is CB?
Hypotenuse.
Ma'am,
Hypotenuse.
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 Ma'am,
CB.
hypotenuse.
CB is the hypotenuse. So how will you find the hypotenuse here?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
base
or-
plus
Ma'am,
base square plus
altitude
altitude square.
Base square plus altitude square, isn't it? Base square plus altitude square. So I'm going to do that. Base square plus altitude square. So tell me what is so hypotenuse square.
18
we
to
write
8,
the
64.
formula.
Base is equal to 64
Base is
centimeter
equal to
square.
60.
Okay. Base is not 64. Base is 8 here. Now square it. Okay. Then you will get 64.
Ma'am, 64 centimeter square.
Okay. Wait. Hypotenuse square is equal to, write the formula first. You will get 1 mark or half mark for that formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Okay. So what is base? Base is 8 square plus what is altitude? 15 square. Isn't it?
Ma'am, altitude square is 225 centimeter
Okay, very good.
square.
Then you told me 8 square is 64. Now add it and tell me what is the answer?
89.
289.
289
is what? Hypotenuse square.
18.
hypotenuse.
So what is hypotenuse? We want to find the root of 289. What is root of 289?
18.
18.
18. Check.
20,
Is it 18?
30,
You are getting 9 at the end, no? So what will be the number?
and
Ma'am,
30,
419.
and 30,
No. 30
Ma'am,
into 30, 169. 289. What is the square
Ma'am,
root?
17.
17. 17. Isn't it?
17.
Check 17 into 17. It is 289. Now what you got this side as 17. Okay. So what is the perimeter? Can you tell me what is the perimeter now? One side we got
17.
Ma'am, 17 into 4.
17 into
17
4. Isn't it?
4.
17 into 4. Now that I'll rub, then I can write there. It's not going.
Ma'am, 68 centimeter. Ma'am,
68
perimeter.
centimeter. Very good. So you'll get it as 68 centimeters. So 17 perimeter is equal to 17
Six-
into 4.
68.
So what will you get?
68
It is
centimeter.
68 centimeter. not centimeter square. For area only we write centimeter square. It is perimeter, so we write it as 68 centimeter. Clear, children? Should
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to explain? Do I want to explain
No,
again?
ma'am.
Everybody
No, ma'am.
understood?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday you have studied about rectangle. Same type of problem, no? By drawing a diagonal, how to find the side and finding the perimeter. Second one is a rhombus. How to find one side and finding the perimeter. Clear? These two problems, keep it in your mind. These are application problems. Okay. Any type of problem like this can come.
Okay.
Did you understand? What is it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
This is the
Yes, ma'am.
application of our Pythagoras theorem. This is the application of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Then another application problem we studied, no? By keeping a ladder, reaching a window. You remember that problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Then another
ma'am.
application
Ma'am.
problem was
Ma'am, a tree broken.
yes, a tree was broken
Tree
at the
broken.
in the middle or at a height of 5 centimeter from the ground. All these problems repeat in 10th standard. Okay. Only the same type of problems repeat and the concept is same, only the numbers will be different. Such problems appear in 10th standard also. So these problems are very important. Okay. Clear, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we go back to
Okay, ma'am.
yes, yes. But now I'm going back to so can I wrap this?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now-
Of course, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now we will go back to
Ma'am, I can hear your voice, ma'am.
you can hear or not hear.
I cannot hear your voice.
What happened? What about
I
others?
cannot hear.
What happened? What about others?
Ma'am, your sound is really low.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
now you can hear no properly.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
Ma'am.
Yes, now we go back to another rule which we have studied about the sides of the triangle, something about sides of the triangle we have studied. No, can you remember that shape? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Mariam, can you tell me what is the rule for the sides of the triangle? Rule for forming the sides of a triangle. Greater than that side should be less than this side, something like that we have studied. Do you remember? Sum of
Some of
uh,
some of the triangles.
sides of the triangle. Sum of any two sides of the triangle, isn't it? About the sides of the triangle we have
Is
studied.
equal to hypotenuse.
Oh, no, not that.
Some of the sides of the triangle should be less
Oh,
Some of the sides of the triangle should be less than the third.
ma'am, the less than the third side.
Some.
Greater than third side.
Very good.
Greater than third side.
Advait have
Greater than this side.
very good, very good. So sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. One more
Difference
rule.
of any
Very good.
any
One
two
more
sides
rule.
should be less
Difference. What about difference?
less than third side.
Then less
Difference
than.
of
Less than third.
difference of any two sides should be less than the third side, isn't it? That is what we have studied. So based on that, one more problem is there. We'll do that. Just draw this, all of you. Okay. That is not visible. Color is not visible. Okay. Light color is visible. Okay, so draw this, all of you. PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. And the question is, take any point O in the interior of the triangle PQR. Take any point O. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle. In the interior of a triangle. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. PQR is question 1 OP plus OQ. OP plus OQ greater than PQ. Second one is OQ plus OR. OQ plus OR greater than QR. Then OR plus OP. Third one, OR plus OP greater than RP. These are the three questions. The question is, take a point O in the interior of the triangle PQR. We have taken. And now what is asked? OP. OP. That is, the question is OP. So just join P and O. OP. Next one OQ. Join OQ. Then you have to join OP. We have joined. Join OQ. Yes. Then join OR. Okay. Sorry, that color is not visible. I'll take another one. Okay. Then any idea is clicking to your mind? Tell me. Anything when I have joined these three?
Ma'am,
Ah.
inside one triangle, 3 triangles are formed.
Inside 3 triangles are formed, isn't it? Inside that 3 triangles are formed. So I just okay. So we can 3 triangles are formed when I join this O2. See this one triangle is formed. Triangle. How many triangles are formed in that? 3 triangles. Triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3. Okay. So what are the questions? Check. OP plus OQ. OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Is it correct or not? We have learned something, no? Before I discussed. We discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
According to that, is it correct? Is OP plus OQ greater than PQ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? What is the rule?
Ma'am, some of two sides should be
angles
greater than the third side.
Sum of
The
any
third
two
side.
sides
Triangle
of
should
a
be the
triangle should be
greater
greater
than
than
the
the third
third
side.
side.
Okay. OQ. Next question. OQ plus OR. OQ. Where is OQ? OQ plus OR. These two sides. Sum of these two sides is greater than QR. Is it true?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is
I'm
lesser, ma'am.
asking you OQ.
Ma'am, it is lesser than.
Oh. OQ plus OR. Check. This is another triangle form.
Yes, ma'am,
I'll
greater
color
than.
it. Greater
Ma'am,
than.
Yes, ma'am, greater.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Correct.
Yes.
It is greater because you see this one, this triangle. I'm telling OR. Oh, sorry, OQ plus OR is greater than QR. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, because it is a triangle and sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, check this one. Third one. Third one. Check the third one.
OR plus
1 minute. Okay. OR plus OP is greater than RP.
Yes, ma'am.
OR plus OP is greater than RP. Is it true or false?
True, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
It is true, isn't it?
True.
Because that is also a
Yes, ma'am.
triangle. Okay. In the question, figure will not be given. Okay. When this type of question is asked, figure will not be given. Figure you have to draw from your imagination or whatever you have studied. And you have to think about this rule. Rule will not be given before. Okay. This type of question will appear as one of the questions along so many questions in your paper, and you have to decide which rule you have to use here to answer the question. Is it clear now? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this chapter have so much of rules, so many properties we have studied, isn't it, in this chapter? So different types of problems can come when you write the final examination. Okay, clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think this concept is clear to you now.
Yes,
Whatever you have studied, it's an application of what you have studied. Okay. Then another question. Just let me rub this. Oh. Okay. Now we'll go for next question. It is this one. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. AM, what is the time? Okay, 10 more minutes is there. AM is a median.
No,
M
ma'am,
is
5 more minutes.
45, no? 10, 45, 35 only now.
Ma'am, 40, 10, 40.
Here it is 10.
Actually, ma'am.
Okay. It is AM. M is capital letter. Okay, AM. I'll rub it and write it properly. Okay, AM is a median of a triangle. Is a median of a triangle. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. ABC. Okay. Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM. The problem figure is given. This is the figure given. This is the figure given. Can you tell me? Any idea? You have to prove that the question is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM?
And this chapter is there for exam.
Yes, this chapter is there for exam. Read the question first. You have to read the question. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM? AM is a median, it is given. Okay. What is the peculiarity of a median of a triangle? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, it divides the triangle into two equal halves.
Is it a triangle into two equal halves or something else you have studied? No, what is that? Is it about triangle? AM is a median. What is a median? What is the definition of a median? Can you tell me?
Some.
What is a median of a triangle? M-E-D-I-A-N, median. Altitude and median you have studied, no? There is a difference between altitude
Ma'am.
and median. What is it?
Ma'am,
Mm. Yes, tell me.
median divides the triangle into
Is it triangle?
two
I have
right
taught.
triangles.
Is it a triangle? That is altitude. That is altitude, what you say. Median is not at 90 degree, but some other peculiarity it has. What is it?
Ma'am, a line segment that divides in.
What?
Ma'am, the line
Joint.
segment that divides
Joint.
the midpoint of a triangle.
Okay, not like that. A line segment which joins the vertex to the opposite side of the triangle. It divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Median divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Okay. This M is the midpoint and this AM is the median. AM is the median and the median divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Okay. So the median is from A, vertex A. So its side opposite is BC. It is dividing BC into two equal parts. That is the peculiarity of median. Now, any ideas clicking into your mind? It is divided into two triangles, no? Not equal. It is divided into two triangles.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you say anything about the question which we have discussed? Think about any idea which you can use. Now you have two triangles. Here. So what is asked question? AB plus BC plus CA. We have to show that it is greater than 2AM. Is it greater than 2AM? That is the question. So let us check. Okay, there is no time. 3 more minutes only. So I'll say the answer. Just listen to me. Take this triangle. Take this triangle. See, here we can say, what is the question? Question is about 2 AM. Isn't it? 2 AM. So AM should be separated. The other two sides you take, I'll be writing AB plus side AB plus BM. BM, I will write, it is greater than AM. Is it correct? Check this triangle and tell me. Only that's blue triangle and tell me. I wrote AB plus BM is greater than AM. We have studied the rules of triangles now. Sides of
Yes,
triangle.
ma'am.
Yes. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side, isn't it? What about the next one, next triangle you take? There also you can write AC plus MC is greater than AM, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can write AC plus AM, AC plus MC. AC plus MC is greater than AM. Okay, now this is first equation and this is the second one. So I am going to add both. What I am going to do? I am going to add. Left side I'll add the right side also. This is a new type of problem. Just to add the left side and add the right side. So AB plus first one, BM plus second one is plus AC plus MC is greater than AM plus AM. I can write it as 2AM, isn't it? 2AM.
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
agree? You know that, no? X plus X is 2X.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way AM plus AM,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can write it as 2AM. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So AB plus BM plus MC. Look at this. I will write AB plus AC. I will write or CA. It is just check this question given. AB CA also I will write. CA. CA is here. AC or CA same thing. So AC plus BM plus MC. What is it? See, BM plus MC. What is it? I can write it as BC. No, together. Children. BM. This is BM plus MC. I can write it as BC.
BC.
BC together. So BC also I got greater than 2 AM. I got the result, isn't it? So yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is AB plus BC. So the answer is
Yes,
10.
ma'am.
Okay. So this is the answer. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I think all of you understood today's
ma'am.
class. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I stop it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, all of you should write this in the note. Okay. Huh?
Okay,
I
ma'am.
think everybody have written, no?
Yes,
Everybody
ma'am.
have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
So children, see you in the next period. Bye, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
next period, ma'am.
Sir, I think Dean sir also have
12.
entered here. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Just let me take your attendance. 1 more minute is there. I can take your attendance fast. Just tell me. So, it is Arav is present, I think. Arav is present. I saw Arav.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Arav is present, isn't it?
No, he's not.
Now, don't go before without giving the attendance. Abhinav Manoj? No.
He was there, ma'am.
Abhin Anthony?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Abhinav Aji?
Present, ma'am.
Advaid was there.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Advaid was there. Afrinami? Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Agash Krishna?
Present, ma'am.
Amrita?
Yes, ma'am.
Alina P. Vincent is there? Alina is not there, no? I didn't see her for some days. She is not present. Then Amrita Biju is there? Today, yes. Then Asim Nabil? Asim Nabil? Hello? Asim is not there.
Ask him
He was there. He was there.
If you are not present while taking the attendance, I'll not give. Okay. Then Avanish Krishnan was there.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Azad VS? Azad? No. Okay. Azra was there.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Then Dion was there. Dev
Present,
Narayan.
ma'am.
Dev Narayan is there?
Ma'am, he was there. He's there, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Dia was there. Efria Biju. Where is Efria Biju?
Absent.
Absent. Okay. Now, what about Faisal Sheikh? I saw the name.
Ma'am, he was there.
Yes. Fayuna not there, no?
Ma'am, she also was there.
I saw the name, but why they are not for giving the attendance?
They leave, ma'am.
Felix was there. Felix. Gautam CR, I didn't find. He's there? No. Jagan Krishna also very often not entering. Okay. Manish also not entering nowadays. Mariam was there. Mehul Shaju was there. Nigel John Prasad, I didn't see today. Is he present today? No. Okay. Naveen PS. Nada Jalal. Nada is also not there. Nigel John Prasad. Naveen PS.
Present,
Naveen.
ma'am.
Yes. Naveen is there. Neha Mary. Neha not
No,
there.
ma'am. And she was there.
Okay. Nihal PN.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Noel Joy. Hello.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Annette Rose is there. Priyanna Rose. Priyanna.
No, ma'am.
I didn't find. Sarang Das. Sarang. No.
No, ma'am.
Sarang Shashidharan. No. Then Sharanya was there. Yes. Sharanya is there. Then Shiv Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Shiv Krishna. Yes. Shiv Krishna is there. Then Vijin was there. Shane was there. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.
Thank
See
you,
you
ma'am.
later.
Amen.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.